युनायटेड फ्रेंड्स पणजेन आयतारा 12वी अखिल गोय नुस्तें गरोवपी सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. ही सर्त कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट जेटी कडेन जाली. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
This is the 12th year we're having this competition. Okay, we have got a good, sizable crowd this time, a bit less compared to last year. I believe there's another festival going on, Rakon Karaja Fest, that's the reason, probably. Okay, the main reason we thought of doing this tournament 12 years back was since everybody loves fishing over here and people enjoy fishing. I said let us make a tournament and let everybody have fun and even win prizes. For our tournament, we have at least around 30 to 35 prizes which are given away as spot prizes. Mostly the people get prizes. Okay. Heaviest fish right now is a kilo, a red snapper which has been caught by. I think I'll give you the name later. Okay. Service. Yeah.
What is the category?
There's no category, general category, but there are a lot of kids and ladies also participating in this event.
And what are the prizes?
Prizes is 7,000 for first prize, 5,000 second prize, and 3,000 third prize.
And any special categories for catching fish, like
heaviest?
Fish?
The judging always heaviest fish, and right now the heaviest fish is 1 kilo red snapper.
How many participants are there?
There are around 78 participants.